Yes, we have, or yes, we do. We have a variety of shampoos and conditioners for different hair types. Are you looking for any specific types?
How the customer answers what he or she wants.
A. Yes, I need a shampoo and conditioner for dry and damaged hair. Yes, I need a shampoo and conditioner for oily hair or greasy hair. C. Yes, I need a shampoo and conditioner for thin hair. D. Yes, I need a shampoo and conditioner for color-treated hair or colored hair. Do you have any recommendations? E. Yes, my hair has recently started falling out, so I need a suitable shampoo to stop my hair loss and thinning. And F. Yes, I have a dry scalp and there is too much dandruff in my hair. Do you have any recommendations to get rid of it?
Absolutely. This brand specializes in repairing and nourishing dry and damaged hair. This shampoo and conditioner are highly recommended. Would you like to give them a try?
That sounds like what I need. I'll take the shampoo and conditioner too. By the way, my skin feels dry all over, especially my hands and face. Any suitable skincare products to fix that?
Well, this usually happens because the skin's natural moisture barrier is compromised. To solve the problem, I recommend some moisturizers including lotions, sunscreens, or creams. Is there anything specific you're interested in?
Actually, I need a good sunscreen with high SPF for my upcoming beach vacation. What options do you have in stock here?
For sunscreens, we have a range of options with different SPF levels. This brand here offers a high SPF sunscreen that provides a broad spectrum protection. It's water resistant too, which is perfect for the beach.